Caterpillar Incorporated. With its headquarters in Deerfield, Illinois, it is currently the largest and most important construction machinery and equipment company worldwide, thanks to its recognizable brand and high-quality products. However, it did not start this way. Its origin dates back to 1925 as a result of the merging of two companies, the Holt Manufacturing Company and the C.L. Best Tractor Company, giving birth to the then called Caterpillar Tractor Company, quickly growing and developing into new markets ranging from heavy equipment to a clothing line, eventually changing its name to the one we all know in 1986, Caterpillar Incorporated.
Caterpillar's values. We follow 5 important values that are applied daily at all the activities inside the company. These values help us maintain the harmony and efficiency between every single member, no matter the position they have. First, integrity. It is the foundation of all we do. It's constant, and those with whom we work, live, and serve can rely on us. Excellence. The power of quality. We set and achieve ambitious goals. The quality of our products and services reflects the power and heritage of Caterpillar. Teamwork. We help each other succeed. We are a team, sharing our unique talents to help those with whom we work, live, and serve. As I said before. Commitment. We embrace our responsibilities. Individually and collectively, we make meaningful commitments. First to each other, and then to those we are bringing our services. Sustainability. We are committed to building a better world. Sustainability is a part of who we are and what we do every single day.
Here, at Caterpillar, our mission is to enable economic growth through energy and infrastructure development. We build thriving communities by investing in the skills people need to join the modern workforce, and the natural and vital infrastructure they really open, in addition to providing solutions that support communities and protect the planet at the same time.
Looking for a car dealer near you? Do you want to be part of a family? Your local car dealer knows that your work is more than a job. That's why we do whatever it takes to keep you up and running. Help clear obstacles and protect the things that matter the most. Find the machines and attachments you need, backed by the service and support you expect from Caterpillar. We treat you like family because we know you are working to support yours. Thank you.